Hi guys, dito kami sa Mega Mall and we're going to Power Max Center to pick up my new toy. Let's go. Okay guys, so we'll just have a quick recap on what we had during our inspection of the product at the Power Mac. So here we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black, okay, and this is capable of 8 times slow-mo, 33 feet waterproof without any housing. You got 20 megapixel photos, up to 5K at 30 frames per second, and then 4K at 60 frames per second video capability. And then it is also capable of 1080p live streaming, raw capture, and you can also use this as a webcam. So it has a webcam mode. Okay, and then another feature it has is the improved version of the Hyper Smooth. So they have the Hyper Smooth 3.0. Okay. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the difference between the old GoPros are with this particular version, it already comes with this nice case. It's a nice carrying case. Okay. Let's open it up. And the inside, okay, this is from the SD card that I bought. It doesn't come with the package, by the way, so you have to buy it separately. So you have your USB-C charger, so it's using the USB-C port, and you have here some documentations, some quick setup guide, and question and answers, and you got this subscription flyer. Okay, so in the package it also comes with a GoPro mount. Okay, this is a new design compared to what I'm used for with the Hero 4. And then you have a helmet mount. There you go. So one thing I discovered about this one is you can lift up this rubber thing here, slide this in, and then push this back, and this serves like a lock, so it doesn't come off easily from the mount. It's very secure. Previously, I think it used to come with this white rubber thing that you can remove, but this one is fixed with this one. This is really nice. I like this. And of course, finally, we have your GoPro 9. So the battery is already inside, as well as the SD card. So I won't go through the features because there are a lot of videos out there that talks about the features of the GoPro 9 and how to use them. So I'll just do a quick comparison with regards to size and weight compared to my existing GoPro Hero 4. Okay, so side by side, this is how is the difference between the Hero 4 and the Hero 9. Okay. Let's measure the width. The width is 71.6 millimeter for the 9, and the 4 is 28.6 millimeter. Okay, so it's a big difference. As you can see, put it on top of the other, you see the 9 is really bulky. And with regards to the depth, so here it's 31.3, and we have here 27.5. Okay. For the height, yeah, 49.9 for the 9, and then for the 4 we have 41.2. So there's actually big difference with regards to size. Now how about the weight? Let's consider the weight difference. So the 9, including battery and SD card, we have 158.4 grams. Okay. For the Hero 4, including the LCD screen, battery, we have 118.7. So it's also a big difference in weight. And if you want to go lighter, if I detach the LCD screen and you just wanted to mount it in your helmet, you only have 84.9 grams. So it's a big difference in weight, especially if you like to put this on your helmet. If you have a helmet mount, you will feel the difference on your head with the weight. So if you want something light, probably I'll stick with the lighter one, with the smaller one, the GoPro 4. Okay, So just for the physical comparison, that's what we have, and I'm ordering some accessories for this one, specific for scuba diving, and on my later videos I'll do some review and feedback on how this performed compared to my old GoPro, so we can see the difference. Okay, there you go guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to click the like button below and give me some comments on what you think about the GoPro Hero 9. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification button below so you'll know whenever I have new videos coming up. And by the way, special thanks to Eldan of PowerMac Mega Mall for assisting us in demoing the product and also assisting us in the purchase that we did last Monday from PowerMac. Cheers to you, bro. Okay, that's all folks, and I'll see you soon again, and stay safe. Bye. Cheers.